ELA week of February 26. This is due Friday, March 2nd. The first one says required 3 times for 20 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. Check each box when you finished. Work on writing. Required for 15 minutes. Create a narrative Foursquare plan that tells about your experience during Hurricane Irma. Remember to include an introduction, at least 2 major events, and a conclusion. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 20 minutes. Using your Foursquare plan, write a narrative draft about your experience during Hurricane Irma. Independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes. Scan the QR code for possessive nouns. Independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 15 minutes. After watching the possessive nouns video, play the concentration game with a partner or a small group. This can be done in a pair or a group of 4. Reflect when you're done. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, read the story Go West from the resource area. Then complete the Go West page in the resource area. This can be done independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. For listen to reading this week, required for 15 minutes, listen to a story on RazKids on your level. What is the title? Write it on the line. Take the quiz. Write down your score. Write down your score on the line. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. For foundational skills this week, we're doing T says ch and CH says k. Required for 20 minutes, the green readers are going to do the picture word sort. Take a picture and put it on Seesaw. The blue readers are doing the sort. The red readers are doing the sentences. The white readers are doing the story. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. Required for 5 minutes, also scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. This is independent. Reflect when you're done. For social studies this week, you have a choice, 25 minutes. Read My Life as an Immigrant on Epic or listen to My Life as an Immigrant on Epic. It's independent or pair. Reflect when you're done. And required for 15 minutes, it says, then answer the My Life as an Immigrant questions in the resource area. These questions are done independent. Reflect when you're finished. Good luck this week.